Hey guys, welcome back. In the last video we looked at displaying the data in our web page. So in this video let's go ahead and add a delete button. So we go back here to our regular file. We're just gonna add another column called delete. So then we add the header, and then in here we're gonna add a button that it's gonna pass to a function that we're gonna create. The email, which is the key the um, of the database that we created, and then it's just a button with a regular delete. There should be delete. So now let's create that function. So down here we're going to create, it's going to be kind of the same, it's just going to be calling our controller. So we're going to pass we are getting the email, and we're going to pass it, and this time we're going to do a get. Last time we did a post. I want to show how to do a get, so in this time we're going to do a get. So you do URL, and then variable name, and then the actual variable. And then, so we're going to do the get, and once that's done, we're going to call again to get people to update the table. So that's going to update our table. So once again, we have to go to controllers, and we're going to have to create a new a new function. And we're going to close this. And we're going to move this back. And here we're going to have to call. So we're first going to check whether it's empty. You should always check if you're doing inputs. In this one we forgot, but we should add like if user null, then we're going to do this one. You should also check that like email and all of those are not empty, so you should add like and user dot email. You should do actually string, like you should do this, but we can leave that as homework. You guys can fix that. Here we're just going to leave it like this. We're going to do, here is just, if it's null, then return it. And then we're just going to do an await and call this function that doesn't exist, delete user async. So then if we go to managers and we do delete user async, so first we use the email, and it's public function, so technically we should also check here if, actually we can just copy from the other place. So people controller, and we can use the same. And then we check whether we get the user from the database, and if the user is null, then you can get rid of it. Actually, I think I was bugging something. I wonder if this works now. It should. And if we say if it's null, return that the user wasn't found, and if not, just remove it. So let's try it out. I'm just gonna add a breakpoint here, just in case. So if we check here, we click delete. So we made it all the way here. Let's see if it works. And let's see, so we can see that the user is the one we clicked, and we got it from the email. And then we're just going to remove it, and that should work. So let's just do continue, and let's just remove Patrick, and let's remove SpongeBob, and we can just populate the fake DB. Breakpoint. So we have a breakpoint. So now we can see that it's all back. And once again, you can delete. So that takes care of deleting. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.